Hey, Proton! Hey! You can't steal my beer!
Oh, yes, I can, Duke. Just try to stop me.
Oh, yeah? Well... take this! Yeah!
Ow! What the heck, Duke? Duke, I call a truce. We shouldn't be fighting.
Okay, then what should we be doing then, man? What the heck? Why do you want to fight anymore?
We should be selling sock puppets. That's what we should be doing. We should be selling sock puppets. That's what we should be doing.
That sounds like a good idea, Proton. Let's try it. Okay. Hey, here comes the traffic. Sock puppets for sale.
Yes, you heard him right. Sock puppets for sale in Naples. Put down their fighting equipment, stop raging with their brother, and also stop fighting with their sister. Why don't you just pick up a sock puppet that's for sale today only in Naples, Florida. Come to my stand, a little stand, where sock puppets are for sale.
Sock puppets for sale. Come get your puppet today. And today only.